2. Sheldon, tell everyone what's gone on there.
Chinese Taipei is in
Yeah.
with a 2-0 record after defeating the U.S. in that last match. Hungary also in, already to 2-0 after, as we talked about, beating Uruguay. That means the United States and Uruguay are out.
Wow.
United States, as we talked about, one of those Goliaths.
Mm-hmm.
Their weekend is over. Top 16 finish is a top 16 finish, but you've got to think that they thought that they were going to do a little better than that.
Sure, but two people who wouldn't have expected to do better than that and have really held themselves up to great account. Alex Vinnik, Joe Pennacchio, 6-1 both on day 1. Terrific effort here again on day 2. Commiserations to them, not quite making it to the final stage. But given the pressure they were under, it's something we haven't talked about a lot here on the show, and in the weeks leading up to it, we didn't want to be unfair to them. But I think there is no hotter seat in Magic than an unknown chair in a global hotshot US national team.
Well, sure. I mean, do you want to? You have to live up to quite something when you're playing alongside the likes of Luis Scott Vargas and Brian